This is Cyndy G, and in this video we are going to assemble the Snowman cracker box. So I have already glued my two panels together, and I have put on the three panels because this is basically the same all the way through, so you didn't need to watch me do all four sides. The front side does have the extra black panel to put behind the face and the button of the snowman. And we're just going to glue that to the back. I'm just going to use my table to make sure these are lined up nicely. I changed my mind at the last minute about the color of my box. The box itself I changed to blue. And I forgot to change the color. Now there is a slight border all the way around, so I'm just lining this up here with these. And I forgot to change the color of the bottom piece, so the bottom piece is still black. I just wanted to have a border around the hat, and that's why I decided last minute to change the color. We're just going to add his little nose. Now I did not put on the other pieces for the scarf because I wanted to make sure they lined up with this piece. And for that I wanted to see him together to see where I wanted the scarf to start. There we go. Let me put on the top hat real quick. And again, there's just a slight border all the way around. And now we can line up the rest of the scarf to be even with the front. Now I'm going to attach the bottom to just one side to start with before I glue them together. Oh, it's really cold here today. It is, well, for some of you it may not sound really cold, but I'm in the South. I'm in North Carolina, and it is only 40 degrees today, so we're freezing. So I've got a heavier sweatshirt on. It's kind of getting in the way. Okay. Now I'm going to glue my box shut. I don't know if I mentioned already that the box comes in two pieces. I had just already glued mine together. So it is two separate pieces, so you're not surprised when you okay. Okay. This is coming apart a little bit right here. I'm going to put some more glue here. There are times when this fine tip bottle really comes in handy. And now I'm going to take some of my trendy twine So Trendy Twine is from Annie's Paper Boutique. She's a little independent company. Some of you may know of this company. This is my favorite twine. May not have cut that long enough because I did want to double it. And there we go. There is the Snowman cracker box. Thank you for joining me.